Hello YouTube. Thank you for swinging by this channel. I know that you know the topic, that's why you click on this video, and hopefully this video helpful to you. um I don't know, but customer brought the car for me to changing the light bulb, right? Then after changing it, and the light on this side is much dimmer than the other side, and customer was saying that possible this is the problem for Chevy. So they bought this plug for me to connect it to the original one and cut the original one off. So that's what today I'm going to do, and I can't really do from here because you see this right here got burned right there. Not sure my camera can see it, but you can see dark brown. So that's what caused the light dimmer. That's what he said, but I'm not sure 100% right. You know, as long as connecting, then should have it bright enough. But he was saying that Chevy had this problem right here, so that's why they have this accessory for it. So we're changing this right here. Okay, from the top here, you see there's a clip right there, clip right here, and a lot of clip. Okay, and along with this cover right here, that's a clip on it, so I need to take this clip out. Okay, normally at home you probably don't have a trim ply like this, but you can use a screwdriver to do it, no problem. Okay, just pry like this out. Okay, and same thing, the one over here, turn to the side that have a little bit open, so you can take this out. See this right here? So as soon as you take all the clip out, that's next is just pull this plastic here, have a clip down here, and just pull a little bit hard. Don't scare it to be break, but be careful. They have one on here and one on the other side over here too. Okay, so I already took this off, and this right here, just take it down like this, or you can just leave it like that. Okay, this bolt right here along the bumper cover. So take all this out. Take all of this out. There's a 4 screw down here, but you don't have to take the 4. You only take this 3 first for the cover. Okay, you can use screwdriver, or you have a electric drill with the screwdriver plus on it, like what I do here is fine. You don't have to have power tool like mine. You changing your light bulb or changing anything, you don't have to go buy expensive stuff. You can use whatever you have at home. And there's another bolt right here, I think it's 332 socket is working too, so I'm using that one right here. Okay, the only way that you can get into it, because this 3 bolt, so now you can pop this open, just a clip. So as soon as you got those pop in, you just pop this out like this. You don't have to drop the bumper. Just pull the bumper like this. Make sure far enough so you can be able to get the bolt down here. Show you. You see this bolt right here? Okay, that right there. Okay. Now I don't want to drop it down there because I only have one hand. So I have to do a little bit and then using my hand. So there's another one right inside with the bumper. See right there? This right here. Okay. And you can do, let me see, with a 10 socket. Okay. So now that one's come off. All right, this last one, which is the one from right here, the white one right there. Okay, and one finger, because I don't have a plate to hold my camera, so one hand doing it. Okay, if you have two hands, you don't have to film like me. That would be very easy for you. There's a clip on the top where the bolt is. You have to open the clip here first, and then just slowly pull the headlights off like this. See that? So now pull the bumper a little bit. Okay. Okay, pull the silver clip here out first. Okay, make sure you pull like this. Don't know why they have to use this right here. Okay, now you take the whole assembly out. Some other way that you have to take the whole bumper out, but unnecessary too, because as long as you can access to this bolt here and this bolt down here, you'll be able to freely out from here if you yank a little bit the bumper. That's all. You don't need to take the whole bumper out. That's a waste of time, okay? Because there's just so much you have to do underneath it and the other side. So this is the easiest way and fastest way. Take you probably like 3-4 minutes only. I will cut it right here and do it. It's up to you. You want to cut shorter or longer in the future if you have problem again, so you can cut again. I'll cut a little bit on this one too. I don't have to get it too long in there. I will do the same thing, matching like this, and I will connect the left side here to the green and the right side to the black. You can just connect it, twist it to each other and tape it, but for me, I bought this heater solder, okay, and I will be using this heater solder to do it, and that will be making the connecting a little bit better than just taping. The green one, okay, they use like that to heat this up so it can melt it. So I will use this heat shrink. This already have a heat shrink on to wrap it already, but I want to get an extra protection, so I will use the second one to do the same thing too. Okay, I'm going to wrap this on top and do the same thing. Reheat it up. Don't use lighter, it's hot. It can burn your hand. If you have the other kind of lighter, the long one, that's better. I have those, but I think I ran out. That's why I'm using this right here. Okay. All right, I think that's good enough. So ready to put it back. Okay, now it's cooling down. So I'm going to put this in. And put my light bulb. Okay, and I'm going to close this cap. And also this cap over here. All right, let's go back to the same place. I have to pull the bumper outward a little bit more, okay? Be able to fit in this side here. Push the light like this, okay? And to make sure the clip is going inside here first. With the lights fitting, so make sure just put a bolt back up here and don't force it. If it doesn't fit, I mean, must be something else that you didn't fit right. So you can play around with it. It should fit. Okay, it's not something that extremely difficult to fit in. Okay, you don't have to be super tight until you break it. A little bit, that's all. Okay, that's it. So let's push the bumper back up and just lift the bumper a little bit, like a clip on top of the bumper. Okay, slowly push. Okay, and now you can go to the under here, put your screws in. I know that it look difficult, okay? When you do it, super easy. This won't take you more than 15 minutes. Okay, make sure you push to go to the same mark as what it is, so it won't have a misalign your bumper. Okay, for all this. All right, done. Remember, do you have a clip down here? Make sure they fit, then press. Same thing right here, fit, and then press, okay? Okay, it's fit already. Let's put the plastic clip. Okay, and this right here, you have a little hook right here, and that's a hole right there. You pull and slide into it. You pull and slide into it. Number one, you know how to rewire your headlight wire, and you know how to take out your headlight assembly. Very easy, okay? Some people may take the whole bumper. Don't do that, because you only need this light. You don't need the bumper off, okay? Because you take the bumper off, you'll have a whole day. But on this right here, you do exactly what I just did. You solve your problem. Easy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to help me subscribe, okay? Bye bye now.